everyone, my name is Alvina and I'm Community Manager here at Block 31 Singapore. Today I have with me a mechanical paper toy company called Robotry. So I have with me Danny, who is the CFO of the company, and also Sodi, who is the CEO of the company. So what does Robotry do?
Robotry is a company that makes a mechanical paper toy. Our mission is to provide fun new solution to the educational toy market.
So how did Robotry come about?
The most problem is that mechanical engineering and robotics are very complicated. So we've been thinking about why don't we marry origami with mechanical engineering? So that is the Robotry.
How is Robotry different from other mechanical engineering toys, STEM toys, paper toys?
As you know, unlike conventional paper toy, it products contain inner structures that enable various moves. Also, regular paper toys are cheap but have no educational effect. And the STEM toy, existing STEM toys are very expensive, but they only focus on the software education. However, Robotry has competitiveness because it is affordable price and has a definite educational effect.
So interesting. So you hit the sweet spot of being affordable yet educational for children. Yes. Why are you raising Series A?
Robotry start from Korea. Now we have the conducted market validation program in Singapore. So after several meetings, we define the Singapore market is attractive enough. So we'd like to get some fundraising in Singapore and Korea as well.
So you are planning to open office in Singapore to expand your offering from Seoul, Korea to Singapore as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so that's what your Series A is for. How did this idea come about? Did Sodi and you come together and identified a problem and there was a gap? Or how did Robotry start?
Yes, actually, we are really have passion on the paper toy, but actually conventional paper toy, they don't have any movement, but our products can show a movement. So like this one. So when the knob is turned, the inner structure enable the various movements. So our characters, the angel characters flapping the wings.
Yeah.
The angel character has special movement.
Okay.
현재 저희는 이 제품을 가지고 아이들한테 나중에 번역해 주세요. 네, 아이들한테 이제 꿈과 희망 그리고 재미를 느끼게 해주자는 미션으로 제품을 만들고 있고요. 이 제품을 가지고서 단순하게 조립해서 로봇이나 아니면 이렇게 재밌는 제품들을 만드는 것뿐만 아니라 예를 들면 다른 캐릭터를 입힌다든지 혹은 지금 가지고 있는 종이뿐만 아니라 다른 제품을 더 개발을 해 나가서 아이들이 즐길 수 있을 만한 거를 더 많이 만들어 나가자라고 생각을 하고 있습니다.
Are interested, you're in a tech space or in the educational space and you work with teenagers, you want to teach them about mechanical engineering, Robotry will be here for the EdTech conference in November.
Yeah.
So feel free to reach out to them. You can follow them on Instagram under Robotry_. That is ROBOTRY_.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all for now. Bye.
Bye.
바이바이.